In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail loading slow. If your inbox takes too long to open or messages lag, follow along and we'll get it running smoothly again. Start by opening your browser and going to yahoo.com. Make sure you're on the official site so you're signing in securely. At the top right, click sign in and log into your account. You may be asked to verify your identity depending on your settings, which is normal. After you're in, look to the upper right and click the mail icon to open Yahoo Mail. Give the page a moment to load. If it still feels sluggish, the most common fix is to tidy up your browser. Click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser window to open the menu. Choose Settings. Different browsers may use slightly different labels, but the path is similar. In Settings, go to Security and Privacy, find the option to delete browsing data or clear browsing data. This removes old cached files and cookies that can slow down web apps like Yahoo Mail. Select the items related to cached images and files and cookies if you're comfortable. Keep in mind that clearing cookies will sign you out of websites. When you're ready, click Delete or Clear to complete the process. This step often makes the biggest difference because it forces your browser to fetch a fresh, up-to-date version of the Yahoo Mail site. Next, reduce any extra load from add-ons. In the same settings area, click Extensions on the left side. Look through your list and remove extensions you don't need, especially ones that interact with web pages, block content, or modify scripts, as these can slow down webmail. Select any unnecessary extension and click Remove. If you're unsure about an extension, you can disable it temporarily. Instead of removing it, then re-enable it later if needed. Finally, take a moment to check that your internet connection is stable. If your connection is spotty or congested, Yahoo Mail will feel slow no matter what you do in the browser. A steady connection helps pages load consistently and keeps your inbox responsive. Once you've finished these steps, the next time you open Yahoo Mail, it should load faster and feel more responsive. If you were signed out after clearing data, just sign back in and continue as usual. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you fix Yahoo Mail loading slow. If it did, consider sharing this video with someone who might need it too.